नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारव सर्स क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 सॉल्व करने वाले हैं फ्रॉम IIT JAM 2020 मैथमेटिकल स्टैटिस्टिक्स पेपर। ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये सेक्शन ए पोर्शन से है, तो ये एक MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चन है। मतलब कि हमें इन चारों गिवन ऑप्शन में से जो सही है वो ऑप्शन ढूंढना है। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन। वी आर हैविंग इन a random sample of size n from normal mu comma sigma square distribution where mu is belongs to R and sigma is strictly positive. Now W is equals to 1 by 2n square double sum over xi minus xj whole square. Then W as an estimator of sigma square is whether it is a biased and consistent or unbiased and consistent or biased and inconsistent or unbiased and inconsistent. We need to find it. Xi is IID normal mu comma sigma square. Okay, xi is IID normal mu comma sigma square, and mu is a real number and sigma is a positive one. Therefore, it is pretty much obvious that x minus xi minus xj follows normal 0 comma 2 sigma square. Okay, and this implies that xi minus xj sigma divided by sigma root 2 is normal 0 comma 1. Therefore, xi minus xj whole square divided by 2 sigma square is chi-square 1. Hence, expectation of xi minus xj whole square divided by 2 sigma square is equals to 1. Therefore, expectation of xi minus xj whole square divided by 2 is equals to sigma square. And variance of xi minus xj whole square divided by 2 sigma square is equals to 2. Hence, variance of xi minus xj whole square divided by 2 is equals to 2 sigma to the power 4. Okay. Now, W is equals to 1 by 2n square double sum over xi minus xj whole square. Okay. Therefore, we get 1 by n square sum over. We can write this as in this way, that is 1 by n square double sum over xi minus xj whole square divided by 2. Now let's find the expected value of W. Hence we get 1 by n square double sum over expectation of xi minus xj whole square divided by 2. Now the expectation of this value is sigma square. Hence we get n into n minus 1 sigma square divided by n square, and this reduces to 1 by 1 minus n sigma square. And variance of W is nothing but 1 by n to the power 4 double sum over variance of xi minus xj whole square divided by 2, and this is equals to 1 by n to the power 4 n into n minus 1 multiplied by 2 sigma to the power 4. Okay, and this reduces to, here we get n cube. Therefore, this reduces to 2 into 1 by n square minus 1 by n cube multiplied by sigma to the power 4, and this tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Okay. Now, why we write n into n minus 1 as though we do not have in the question that there is any restriction between I and j, but if we take I equals to j, then we have W equals to 0 for I equals to j, and there are n such cases. So we avoid those cases, and therefore we write n into n minus 1. Hence what we get that W is an unbiased estimator, is an biased estimator of sigma square, but a consistent estimator. Okay. Therefore we can write W is biased but consistent estimator of sigma square. Okay. Therefore option A is the correct answer. So we have solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.